The final tool that we have on our toolbar is called Rip Region, and it's a very helpful tool. You can quickly sort of open your objects, and in this example, let's go ahead and activate the knife tool by pressing K. Hold on Shift key so that it snaps to the center, and then we move our cursor over there and add a loop like that. Press enter to confirm that, and let's say that I want to cut open this from the center. In that sort of area, I can use this tool. Now I would recommend using the keyboard shortcut, and it's a V on your keyboard. And the way it works is that wherever your cursor is, so once you have a vertex point selected, wherever your cursor is, it's going to sort of rip it on that side. To give you a bit better example, let's go ahead and select this vertex point. If my cursor is down here, it's going to separate this face. So let's press V, and you can see how it separates that. Let's press Ctrl Z. And if I move my cursor over here, press V, you can see how it separates from that area. And if my cursor is up here, then it's going to separate from that area. So let's use that to separate these 2 points. I'm going to select both of them, press V key and sort of move it up like that. And then I'm going to select these again and press V key again. And you can see that very quickly and easily I was able to sort of create this open box. And now I can add a solidify modifier. So let's go to this gear icon, add modifiers, generate, and then solidify. It's going to let me add thickness. So I can add thickness to my object like that. And just like that, very easily and quickly, I was able to create this sort of open box. So that's how you can use the Rip Region tool in Blender.